So, friends, we eat in the Bahamas. From Houston we fly to Miami. There's a Divina cruise line waiting for us there. For a ticket for a flight from Houston to Miami and back, we paid $60 per person. The flight continues for 2 hours. It is warm in Miami today with an air temperature of 27 degrees. In May, it is better to come in winter. It's now January. We arrived in Miami. We need to get to the ship. We took a taxi. It takes 40 minutes to get to the ship. The fare is $30. It's a cruise ship. It's called Divina. We have already passed passport control, and we are on the way to landing. We climb to the very top deck of the ship, and from here you can see a beautiful view of Miami. Our ship leaves at 7 p.m. While we see off this ship, this is one of the largest cruise liners in the world. It's called Emesi Divina. This ship impresses with its gigantic dimensions, technical capabilities, innovative solutions, sophisticated design, and diverse infrastructure. Like other ships of this class, she sails under the flag of Panama. First, I want to talk about the cost of the ticket and other expenses. We paid $1,200 for a ticket for 4 people, including a tip. This number includes 2 cabins, one with a balcony, the other without a balcony. I'll show you our cabins later. And also all basic services are included in this amount. Includes unlimited buffet meals, restaurant meals and all services on Ocean Cay. The buffet is open from 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. Alcohol is paid. On the island of Ocean Cay we are waiting for a chic buffet. We will have 2 stops in the Bahamas, in Freeport and Ocean Cay. These ships ply the Western Mediterranean and the Caribbean. Divina from Italian translates as divine. The ship was built in France. Launched September 11, 2011. The godmother of this ship was the legendary Sophia Loren. Divina really gives its guests a decent vacation. I want to talk about the parameters of this vessel. Length 333 meters. Width 37 meter. Height 67 meters. Project 8.5 meters. Travel speed 24 knots. The vessel has 751 cabins, designed for 345 passengers and 1388 crew members. Stylish and sophisticated, Divina creates an atmosphere of glamorousness and bohemianism. It boasts elegant Swarovski crystal staircases, the chic Veneziano casino, a huge cinema. Divina can rightly be called a city on the water. The liner offers guests the widest choice of world-class entertainment and excellent conditions for a comfortable stay. They offer restaurants, bars, pizzerias and cafes, a cinema, music parlors, several swimming pools, children's and teenage clubs to keep passengers of all ages satisfied. Divina is one of 4 ships that call at its own Ocean Cay island in the Bahamas. Services and amenities in the box at a high level. 14 elevators, 6 restaurants, 18 bars, cinema, disco, bowling, casino, library, beauty parlor, spa center, sauna, internet center, Wi-Fi, duty-free shops, cigar room, chapel, as well as a fitness center. 5 swimming pool, including closed, 12 jacuzzis, water slide, sports ground, jogging track, mini golf. For children there is nanny, nursery, teen club, slot machines, children's pool. Many different events are held on the ship. The program of events of each day spent on the liner is published in a special information brochure, which is delivered to the salon in the evening before the next day. The company that owns the ship has its own island, Ocean Cay. Tomorrow we will be on Freeport Island, and the next day we will be in Ocean Cay and stay there all day. On our channel there will be video shooting on these islands. After the fitness club we go to lunch. Now we enter the buffet or dining room. It's a very big room. It is open from 7 to 12 o'clock. Lots of fruits, salads, meat dishes, pizza, sweets, cakes and ice cream. There is a buffet without a break. Entrance here is not limited. As they say, all inclusive. You can go to the buffet during the day as much as you want. It's very cozy and comfortable here. Sit back and enjoy the ocean view. The ship is owned by an Italian company, so there are a lot of Italian dishes. The food is very good food. Very large selection of different dishes. In each department there is a person who monitors the cleanliness and order in his department. Buffet goes in a circle. The further you go, the less people. People gather mostly at the entrance. Most of the workers are from India, from the Philippines. Everyone is very polite and says hello all the time. Alcoholic drinks can be ordered at the buffet. But for this you need to pay $40 and you can drink as much as you like, not only in the buffet, but also in any cafe and restaurant on the ship. And there are a lot of them. You just pay $40 once when issuing tickets and that's it. You just need to present your ticket every time you order alcoholic drinks. We are non-drinkers, so we passed by these establishments. In addition, each passenger has a seat in the restaurant and you can go to the restaurant every evening for dinner. The price for dinner at the restaurant is also included in the ticket price. The menu is updated 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Чего взяли? Чего вы взяли? Рассказывайте.
This is a compartment for rescue boats. Each boat can accommodate 150 people. This is a cabin with a balcony. A little later I will show without a balcony and windows. It is the same as only without a balcony and windows.